My name is Will Richardson. I am a senior sales engineering manager for the public sector team, and I am based out of Chantilly, Virginia. I have been working in the public sector space for over 20 years, and what drew me to it initially was simply my location being in the DC area. But what keeps me coming back and really engaging in public sector is the sense of pride that I get in helping my country and that my community that I am involved in. Um, Government workers are routinely understaffed, all while trying to achieve their organizational missions, whether that mission is providing education to children, whether that be providing healthcare to our veterans or landing a rover on Mars. So anything that I can do to help them focus on those missions and achieving them on a day-to-day basis is a win for our country and communities throughout the United States. For me, it means everything to be able to contribute to the protection of the organizations that my community relies upon. I have neighbors who are school teachers, police officers, counselors, even procurement officers for the federal government. So to be able to offer them a solution that helps protect their email, which may seem trivial, but that taking that off their plate allows them to concentrate on the things that our community needs from them. And that's just a fantastic feeling. During my time at Abnormal, we have had a number of occasions where we have found active fraud taking place during POVs for prospective school districts throughout the United States. Having our account teams be able to call those prospects to stop any sort of potential payments from being followed through on and being wired to the bad actors is huge. We are talking about school districts that are mostly underfunded to begin with. So any funds that could potentially be lost through fraud is a massive detriment to the children and to the community as a whole. As a father of fourth and sixth graders, it makes me proud to work for a company that's doing something to stop fraud like this, because I take it personally. One thing I can do now because of AI that I didn't really imagine myself being able to do when I started is just through Glean and other AI mechanisms, get an overall 360 view of an account and the health of that account, whether that be support cases, SE engagement, tech win, any sort of product issues that come. I can very quickly use those agents to go out and tell me what is going on with the customer, which saves massive amounts of time for me in my role. For anyone considering joining Abnormal and the public sector team in particular, I would say just come ready to learn and check your ego at the door. We have people who have covered public sector for the first time and for 30 plus years on this team. And we are all learning how AI can help transform how both our customers do business and how we as individuals do business on a daily basis. If you are willing to embrace a learning mindset, you will have a massive positive influence on your career, your teammates, and most importantly, your customers and community.